my foot. Mom, my everyone sitting there. Good question, white country. Like Dahul bakery.
Yes.
Change?
Yes.
Because that is IFRS 85. You keep it at 30 degrees Celsius.
That's serious.
Ryan Company purchases goods worth 5,000 from Muslim Company. Ryan Company will receive 5% settlement discount if the goods are paid within 7 days. Ryan Company has every intention of taking the advantage of the settlement discount. So the initial recording of the purchase, record the payment for the goods assuming Ryan Company pays within 7 days, record the payment for goods if payment is made after 7 days.
Both ways.
Yeah, you need to record both ways. First we need to do the initial entry. Ryan Company purchases goods worth 5,000 from Muslim Company. So what is the double entry for that? Now in whose books we need to write the entries? In Ryan Company's books. So page number? 2? Now 247? Okay. Books of Ryan Company. Now I need to see, now in the books of Ryan Company, so the Ryan is a customer or supplier?
Customer.
Ryan is a customer, so he has to pay to someone and then he is doing some purchases. So he will then have to debit
Credit, receive, pay.
This entry clear or not clear? Very clear, right? So now, Ryan Company is planning to settle this within how many days? 7 days. Second requirement is record the payment for the goods assuming Ryan Company pays within 7 days. So that means, how much is the discount? 5%. So the discount will be 250 dollars. So how to record this entry? Debit payable, because I need to pay to them. So if I don't have the discount, I need to pay full amount of cash. Am I right? So what is the double entry for the cash payment?
Debit cash.
Credit.
Cash payment, yeah, Habib.
Okay.
So cash book you will, but you will credit the cash book and debit to pay. Masbut? Now you are entitled for the discount of 250. So your payment amount will become how much? 4,750. So the 250 we should debit to payable and credit payable.
Discount receipt.
Discount so this is the entry. This wait, if payment made within 7 days. That's the this entry. Now to explain you brother, I have done a purchase of 5,000 and I have done this purchase on credit. So when I have done the purchase on credit, I should know what the double entry for that, without forgetting about discount and outside. So if you do that, I debit my purchase 5,000 and I credit payable 5,000. Clear? Now they are saying if you take the advantage of discount, you have to pay within how many days?
5 days. Or
So,
7 days.
double 7 years.
So,
So before 7 days you need to pay. So in this, now assuming this company is making the payment within 7 days, then they are eligible for that 5% discount. How much is 5% now? We calculated
Wow.
250. Now we need to know what is the accounting entry for this 250.
first, I have one question.
Yes.
How can I know the difference between discount and trade discount?
You mean trade discount and cash discount? Is what you are asking?
That's the question. That's the example.
Hmm.
You consider that one is trade discount. And
Correct.
the other is discount. How can I know?
They will specifically tell you. Here, if you read here, brother, Rayan company will receive 5%. You see the word they are using.
Discount.
No, settlement discount. Settlement discount meaning you receive discount because you are making a payment.
Transaction is done.
Yeah, that is after the initial double entry is completed. You have gone on other side of the border. Now you are inside Saudi. You are not in Qatar. So when you go to Saudi, until you go to Saudi, you follow the Qatar rule. So when you go cross the border, you go to Saudi, then you just have to follow the Askari Dahal Saudi. Rules different. Clear? Now here, you already have done the purchase. You agreed the purchase price 5,000. So I have done the double entry for that also. After that only, I am using the benefit of this 5%. When I use that benefit, I have to consider that as a cash discount or settlement discount.
Debit discount.
In this case, I am receiving discount. So you should, in your profit and loss account, it's an income or expense. You have to think that. When you receive discount, it's an income. So income in my P&L, its a nature is credit. So the discount received account should be a credit account. That's why and you are debiting there payable account because you will reduce the net payment from the total of 5,000 riyal or $5,000.
Okay. And those are the one, this one okay.
Yeah.
And that one, last example.
Trade discount? Trade discount, Habibi.
Mention here?
They will mention, definitely they will mention. You see that question, you will see. Another question now. Adi? No, I got. Sure.
Still in discount. Trade discount, yes.
Sir? Nizam?
This is the minimum.
Khalas. Shall I continue? Good. Okay. Now, so we have done this entry. This is the first, the second entry. Third entry? What is the third entry? So this is in cash, exactly. So entry number 3. This is entry number 2. And this is entry number 1. Entry number 3 will be, I have to debit, I am paying cash. So in my cash book, I should credit. How much? Cash, 4,750. To whom I am paying this? My suppliers. So I should debit to trade payable 4,750. Can we think of doing this in the ledger format? Can you try quickly? Now let's try the ledger format now. First entry. Should debit purchases, how much?
5,750.
5,000. And then credit to payable 5,000. So here description will be trade payable. Here purchase. Then I receive discount here. So when I receive discount, I should debit to get payable and then credit to discount. Trade payable. Now I have to pay cash. How much? 4,750. This account closed. This I will transfer to P&L. Now this is assumption is what? What is assumption here? If you pay within 7 days. The same entries now, if you pay after 7 days. If payment made after 7 days, no settlement. So the entries will be debit purchases 5,000, credit trade payable. This is entry number 1. Now entry number 2 is what? That's it. Cash. Debit trade payable and credit cash. Ledger, can you write? You want me to write the ledger or can you try? Okay. So let's continue. Baha, are we clear?
But last one, this cash coming credit depending on profit and loss or
No, nothing to do with the profit and loss. When you make the cash payment, it's credit. When you receive the cash, it's debit in your cash book.
yes.
But I am not showing the cash book here. In the ledger. So this is when I am making the payment. The previous scenario, I am receiving the cash. Alas, okay. Let's continue. Now, last question. Let me try this question now. Post the following transaction to and balance of the receivable ledger control. Can you quickly, we'll go together. Open T account for receivable control account, please. Okay, you also. मुझे माफ ये किताब
Fixed.
ओके
Receivable control account is
Yes.
the main.
Yeah, that's one of the GL from your general ledger that you will use.
Alignment.
No, the inventory book is before. What is the page number, please?
240.
240.
9.
Receivable control. Opening balance. How much?
614.
What should I do? How to record this? Yes, sir, tell me. Where will I record this?
You're asking double entry or what?
No, it's there's no double entry here. You just need to record all this in the receivable column, in the double entry form.
This debit.
Debit, where have you been? In this account? Debit.
Yes.
How much?
61430.
And what is the description or narration you will write?
This balance sheet.
Not balance sheet, balance brought forward. Clear? This is opening balance. Next.
Account then what? Receivable account?
Receivable control account have you.
Receivable?
Next one. Credit sales made during the month 300 to 2600. Arthur, can you tell me where shall I record this? What is the double entry for credit sales? If you know, you can tell me. What is double entry for credit sales?
You have to credit to the sales
Okay.
and debit to the receivables.
So here, where will I record this now? How much?
302,600
And what is the description I write here?
credit sales.
Same. You don't, you can write credit sales, but same. Receipts from customers 311,000. Adil.
Sorry, receipt from the customer. So, receivable, receipt from the customer.
Receipts means you have received what?
Cash.
Cash. So,
Cash account debit
okay.
and then receivable credit.
Here, in this account,
Receivable account, yeah, this is credit.
okay, how much?
311,
300? How much?
000.
Triple zero.
Triple zero.
Okay.
311,000.
So the description?
Cash there and there the credit is.
Next one. Bad debts were written off 35,400. Mr. Dowd.
So bad debts account 35,000 debit,
Okay.
trade receivable control account credit.
Correct. So here,
Please
Yeah.
add, because I forget this one. What bad debt?
bad debts ya habibi number haram ishar
Okay.
number ishar jam na bisi da. Wa ma tibulos.
Bad debits usually
We don't use the bad debts now. The new name is irrecoverable debts.
usually credit, sorry?
See, it's an expense. So you debit that expense and then credit to from the total amount. You see, this is my total amount now. The total amount I have collect. And no, this two, the total of this two I have collect. And these are the amount that I am deducting. And this guy don't pay this amount of money, we don't get it. So we have to remove it from that and then debit to bad debts. How much?
35,100.
35,000. Alapidani. Contrast against amount due to suppliers in payables ledger.
Interest? What's
Contrast, I have explained you this today when we started. The first explanation was that. Shoot, Alapidani. Offset. Receivable and payable. If I have one person, he is a customer and supplier. Abba, tell me.
interest against the amounts due to suppliers in the year ledger 8,600.
Meaning, so one of the supplier is a customer for you. So if he is a customer, he has to pay you money. And if he is a supplier, you have to pay him money.
I have to pay
you need to receive and pay how much?
650.
8,600. That you deduct it from our ledger here.
So it will come in credit side.
Exactly. How much? 8,600.
650.
We use the name,
8650.
sorry. Offset.
Offset.
Yeah, this one you can have contrast, set off. These are some other names, but the same meaning. We should be turning colors. Now, can you please balance?
Twelve hundred 61.
Hmm?
561,000.
All the balance?
It's not zero.
All the remaining?
Yes.
What is the total?
Total
916.
9,
16.
16, 400 or 600?
Oh, that is 311,000, no?
Which is 300,000?
this is the balance.
All the balance.
302 600.
Yeah, that is the sales.
So 916 600.
Yeah. And then the balance carries forward. The non-
564,000.
How much?
561 550.
561, 550. Mujib, show other book.
Yes, book.
Other. Ajay, video.